A lot of Feds speak, a big inflation report, and a look at what the debt ceiling debate may cost the economy. Those events topping the list of what U.S. financial markets have their eye on for the week ahead. Monday, look for central bank speak from Fed Governor Michelle Bowman at an event out in Florida, and ECB Governing Council member Mario Centeno is going to be at an event in London. Earnings include Palantir, Avis, IAC, and First Energy. Tuesday, the main event is the monthly consumer price index. Headline consumer inflation has been moderating since June, and the core measure that strips out food and energy, it's been slowing since September. But the concern here really is that strong labor market report that we got about a week ago may be a sign that tamp down in inflation may have halted or even reversed. Elsewhere, keep an eye out for the latest NFIB reading on small business optimism, OPEC's monthly oil market report, and a speech by New York Fed President John Williams. Earnings include Airbnb, Coca-Cola, Marriott, Restaurant Brands, and Zoetis. And Tuesday is the 13F filing deadline for hedge funds. Wednesday, economic data revolves around U.S. business inventories, industrial production, and retail sales. Earnings include Biogen, Barclays, Analog Devices, Roku, Boston Beer, Zillow, Cisco, Kraft Heinz, Roblox, and Shopify. And down in Washington that day, the Congressional Budget Office will release its economic outlook for the next decade. The CBO also will update its report on the current debt limit situation and its expectations about when the Treasury will no longer be able to pay its full obligations. Thursday, Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester speaks at an event in Florida, and St. Louis Fed President James Bullard appears at an event in Tennessee. Earnings on Thursday include DoorDash, DraftKings, Shake Shack, Standard Charter, LabCorp, Datadog, Dropbox, Hasbro, Crocs, and Applied Materials. Economic data include monthly reports for building permits, housing starts, and producer prices. Friday, Richmond Fed President Tom Barkin discusses the labor market at an event in Virginia. Earnings include Deere, AutoNation, and NatWest. And keep an eye on the U.S. Conference Board's index of leading economic indicators. The numbers for January would mark the 10th straight month of decline. I'm Romaine Bostic, and that's a look at the week ahead.